Hi, I'm Rico Quinones Elaw. I graduate of Cebu Technological University, Dumanhog Extension Campus. I took the board exam last March 26 and 27, 2026, and I graduated in July 2025. When I passed the board exam, I was really grateful, and shortly after that, we had a small celebration with my family and friends. I was very thankful with everyone supporting me throughout the journey. The first thing I did was really to prepare myself. Part of preparation, I really took my breakfast first. Did some exercise. Yung sa morning is in-spend ko talaga yun for solving problems, and then in the evening is studying terminologies. I really allowed myself to rest whenever I felt overwhelmed sa mga topic talaga, sir. Hindi yun maiiwasan. Yung purpose ng rest is to refresh para efficient naman yung pag-aaral. I was more focused on solving unfamiliar problems. Yung JERTC was really a great help for me during my preparation because during second year, sir, nandito na talaga ako sa JERTC. Simula nun, sir, talagang nagpo-focus na ako mag-aral, and marami akong hindi alam pa nun na mga topics. Tapos yung JERTC is maganda talaga, sir. Well-structured yung mga lessons nila. Yung mga instructors are magagaling magturo. Hindi lang matatalino, sir. Approachable pa sila. Yung boss nga, yung pinaka-boss. Grabe ka buutan. Isa pa, sir, is yung environment. Nindot yun kayo ilahang mga facilities, sir.